Hey, what's up YouTube? Beeler here again, and today I'm going to cover how I got these zoom levels and cover some price action on it today. Alright, so today on the market, top of my list, as I also covered on the night before why I was going to watch Zoom, is because it was a top watch for me. I really like the potential in the daily time frame, what I'm about to go through. I'll just kind of show you guys the levels before I go through the analysis, just so you see. Was posted a little over 30 minutes before the market was open, so let me get that out of the way for everyone. Let's go through the analysis. So besides our trend lines, the only other lines I marked besides the smaller time frame lines that I'll go through live with you is the emerging candles. So I got this emerging resistance here, another one here, a good gap filler here and there. And then I got my trend lines, of course, as you see here, and they're on my highs and lows, kind of descending low towards this big area of support where I look to find more bullish patterns. If we end up breaking lower, I'll just end up playing that with the BB system, but let's break that down. So here on the 5 minute, using just the BB system, I'm going to have my pre-market high and low marked, which I don't need to mark the pre-market high. I'm going to focus on yesterday's open, since that was kind of where we dropped from. So that's going to be my area of breakout. But today, the entry in voice chat when we were playing was about right here, and I can also show you guys the entry points and all the talk I typed about in the scalp trading channel. But it actually went from a scalp trade to a very long holding on a day trade. We ended up holding through all of this because it never once came back and broke our little level down here. It never ended up breaking this, so we had no reason to sell. Let me zoom in a little more so you can see this a little better. But if you see right here, we had a bullish breakout above that level, and that's where our entry was. That's where the call out was given. And then we had a bunch of just amazing fun, a little over 55 minutes of just straight lowering volume. So during that entire time, we held, no point in cutting it yet. We have next week calls, so no point in cutting. Stop loss is 324.45. As you can see here, kind of during more towards not lunchtime, but a little bit before lunchtime, price kind of pushed up, and we had targets of 328 about. We moved this up a little bit. 328 was the flat amount, and then we marked psychological targets at 329 and 330, which I actually ended up scaling out most of the position during this candle when it crossed 328 for the chat, and then we sold entire position once this candle pushed up and hit 330. Or I'm sorry, 329, and then later on during the day, it ended up pushing over the 330, where we gave the last signal for complete take profit. So definitely a decent call out. Excuse me. But let me go through the Discord real quick and find every bit of typing that I had on this play today. So me just typing in scalp trading Zoom, which was the channel I did it in, because it was supposed to be a scalp trade, but it turned into a lot more than that. As you can see here, I'll scroll down here, 845 breaking level for the calls, ended up breaking out, still holding with this 5 minute candle, a 5 minute left, and as you can see, a minute later, I'm marking where the stop loss is, 324.60. That's about where I was talking about, 324.45 ish, as you can see there. Back again, green, and that was about right here in this candle, I think, when it was pushing up. Or no, that was during this fight up here. We were very slightly green here again, and then we kind of had to just hold, reminding ourselves of our stop loss. Back green again at 941. As you can see, price pushing up right here. We were up 17% there. Towards the end of the day, it was up 55% here at our last target at 332. That was the very last target from the list and from the chat call out. So just kind of showing that off, just to show everyone, how we do this. We're also in voice chat at the same time calling this out. So I hope this video is helpful, and I hope you guys like the analysis. We pretty much just follow simple price action. We really don't like the whole indicator thing. Indicators are great and all. They're fun to look at, and they're really useful. But in our chat and a part of our strategies, they're merely side confirmation. When it comes to the main meat of the analysis and all that good stuff and making your trade plan, price action is just, it's unbeaten. So you'll always see us cover it like this. So hope you guys like this video, and if you guys can, comment below, please. Thank you.